Hi, I am PixelPia. Today we're going to talk about how to create an account on Pinterest, and we're going to start on the website. This is what we see on the web when we first log into Pinterest.com. I'm going to hit sign up here, and as you can see, you can continue with Facebook or you can continue with Google. I have used those, so I'm going to sign up using my email. I put in my email and create the password. What you didn't see, since I already had set up the account, is that you have to fill out your name, your age, and then pick 5 interests. They show you a lot of different pins with a little description what they are, and you have to choose 5. And the purpose of this is that it helps building your first homepage. That will always change what is shown on your homepage depending on people you follow, and you can also change your settings for interest. So what we are going to see now is built upon the 5 things I chose. It's a little bit of everything here. Up to the right, you have your profile picture. If you click that, you come to your profile. As you can see, the only thing I have done is added a photo. And to do that, you go to your profile picture and you hit edit profile. And here you can change by choosing a photo. You have your name, and as you can see, I didn't put the last name, I only put PixelPia. We can write a short bio. We can choose the pronouns we want to be called by. If we have a website, we can add it here. And here is our username. This gives us the web address to our specific area. So everything you see here is built upon what interest I have in my settings. And in tomorrow's tutorial, I will talk more about setting and privacy. Up here next to my profile picture is a little down arrow. If you click that, down almost at the bottom, you have See Terms and Privacy. And this is the page where you can see the terms of service and the privacy directions. But what surprised me was that it didn't come up anywhere when I signed up that I had to approve this. I strongly urge you, if you are starting on Pinterest, before you put up anything, go over the terms of service and the privacy policy. It is important. Now we're gonna take a look at how it looks on mobile. So here we are with my phone screen. I am on an Android, so I go to Google Play. If you are on iOS, you go to the App Store. And here we have Pinterest, and let's hit install. Okay, now we're gonna hit open. And here we are on the home of Pinterest, and you can see, as I said, I have some tattoos, I have cooking, and I have interior design. If I click on my profile picture down here, and if I want to edit my profile, I have to click once more on my profile. There is the picture, my name. If I click these 3 little dots up to the right and go to settings, I will find terms and privacy down at the bottom here by clicking on these 3 little dots where we see all of them. I hope this helped you with setting up your own Pinterest account. If you are interested in the settings, you are welcome back tomorrow. Hej då!